हे गाइस, एक और आरसी करते हैं। ये तब हमारा एक नॉर्मल रूटीन बन गया है ना, सिटिंग विद दीज आरसीज एंड ट्राइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड how to manage, how to handle these devils. Some ugly looking devils, some good looking devils, some devils wearing Prada, some devils wearing Gucci and whatnot. तो ये पैसेज जो है बहुत मजेदार है. I have taken this from I think CAT 2008 and put in some new questions. It's on the Mayan civilization. Okay, अभी हाल फिलहाल में भी CAT में we got one passage. I don't remember exactly which year, but it was on some civilization. It was again on Maya or something. I don't remember, but था कुछ. अब भूल जाती हूँ मैं काफी सारी because इतने passages करती हूँ दिन भर और like almost every day. So याद नहीं होता है कभी कभी. Right? Let's check this passage. कैसा क्या बोल रहा है? To summarize the classic Maya collapse. माया क्या? Mayan civilization था. You'll find that out यहाँ पे. कोई बहुत बड़ी चीज नहीं है कि माया क्या था समझ नहीं आया. Okay. Then passage कैसा है एक बार देख लेते हैं. Third strand, okay, 3, 4 paragraphs, 5 paragraphs, okay. One good thing is I can see the beginning of every paragraph is something like this. The third strand, fourth strand, fifth strand, finally, so every paragraph handles one strand, whatever that is. Okay, so tension nahi lene ka, it's a good passage. And I have put in a good set of questions. Which of the following modern scenarios most closely mirrors the dynamics described in the classic Maya collapse as presented by the author? Simplify karo is question ko. Scenarios, that means it's an analogy question, जिसको हम application question भी कहते हैं. Means you need to go back and read that concept, that portion, and then come back and look for a similar situation. Which of the following modern scenarios most closely mirrors? Similar, simple पूछ रहा है, simple, similar. Dynamics किसका? Classic Maya collapse. Okay, पहले हमें जानना जरूरी है ना वो है क्या. चलिए, which of the following best describes the author's tone? Okay, ये तो हो जाएगा आराम से. Which of the following can be reasonably inferred about the author's perspective on historical collapses? होगा कुछ specific para related. Which of the following best encapsulates the central argument, the main idea? ठीक है, and I have tried to give you like confusing options so that you get a little lost and then you eliminate and then करेंगे अभी इसको सारा. So main idea, tone, one inference and something like analogy. चलिए, जानना जरूरी है ये है क्या. To summarize the classic Maya collapse, so we understand that the civilization collapsed. We can tentatively identify 5 strands, probably 5 reasons why the civilization collapsed. Okay. I acknowledge, however, that Maya archaeologists still disagree vigorously among themselves because the different strands evidently varied in importance, blah, blah, blah. Because detailed archaeological studies are available for only some Maya sites. So these points vary. So archaeologists are not able to see eye to eye. इतना समझ तो सबको आ रहा है. And because it remains puzzling why most of the Maya heartland remained nearly empty of population and failed to recover after the collapse and after regrowth of forests. ठीक है? I think बहुत simple सा language है इसका. Like what he is trying to say in the first para is there are 5 strands Maya collapse related and they disagree. Right, evidently varied in importance, detailed because these sites are different and they have not given us complete information, and because it remains puzzling why most of the Maya heartland remained nearly empty of population and failed to recover after whatever, क्यों collapse हो गया. You see, I'm trying to focus more on these lines. I always do because the first para ka last lines are very important. Okay, with those warnings, it appears to me that one strand consisted of population growth. ठीक है? Population growth, one strand. Why do I need to read the remaining part? अब ये तो डेटा दे रहा है. Too many farmers, too many crops, okay, population growth. हो गया ये, क्लियर है, राइट? तो क्या हुआ? ऑब्वियसली टू मेनी फार्मर्स, टू मेनी क्रॉप्स, वर्टिकल रीडिंग ऐसे करके देखो, समझ में आ रहा है. अच्छा, सेकेंड स्ट्रैंड कितना सिंपल है. फर्स्ट स्ट्रैंड वाज पॉपुलेशन ग्रोथ, टू मेनी फार्मर्स, टू मेनी क्रॉप्स, है ना. सेकेंड स्ट्रैंड क्या है? द इफेक्ट्स ऑफ डिफॉरेस्टेशन, easy to understand. Hillside erosion, decrease in the amount of usable farmland, right? Population बढ़ रही है, यहाँ पे compounded उसमें problem कैसे हो गया? Because deforestation and hillside erosion, तो erosion होता चला जा रहा है, so the land is getting stripped of its stripped of its nutrients. तो कैसे, कहाँ वो grow करेंगे? So easy to understand. The third strand, big paragraph, but don't get scared. Okay, the third strand consisted of fighting. लड़ रहे थे, more and more people fought. Obviously population, land और कम हो गया, erosion, pressure on resources, जैसे हमारे शहरों में होता है, too many people, too much of a population, and then people fight over the same resources, limited resources. यहाँ बोल रहा fewer resources. Maya warfare peaked just before. Okay, तो लड़ रहे थे, नहीं पढ़ूंगी मैं, नहीं पढ़ूंगी, लड़ रहे थे ये, ठीक है. ओके, लुक फॉर द फोर्थ वन, यहाँ थर्ड है ना, वॉरफेयर हो गया. एट द टाइम, ओके, द ड्राउट, ऑल राइट, ओके, वाज द स्ट्रैंड. गॉट इट, ब्यूटिफुल, ब्यूटिफुल फ्लो. ये आपको ढूंढना पड़ेगा, ये आपको कॉन्शियसली ढूंढना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज पैसेज का फ्लो ही वैसा है. You are looking for second strand, third strand, fourth strand, fifth strand, finally. So yes, the fourth strand will be somewhere here. How did I know that? Because here, first and second is here. So one big paragraph can have two, है ना. So third यहाँ था, fourth is climate change. Why do you need to read more? Uninhabited, however, by the time of classic collapse, okay, landscape was full, no useful unoccupied land, all right, population could not be accommodated, problem. Reliable water supplies nahi the, right? Okay. As our fifth strand, what happened? We have to wonder why the kings and nobles failed to recognize these problems and resolve them. Okay, so many things were happening and there were kings and nobles. Fifth strand was this. Why did they fail to recognize and solve these problems? These were obvious problems undermining the society. Oh, their attention was somewhere else. Where? Evidently focused on short-term concerns. खुद को अमीर करना, erecting monuments, competing with each other, extracting blah blah blah. समझ में आ गया ये? Right? And finally, तो इतना बड़ा पैरा देने की क्या जरूरत थी finally के लिए? हाँ. While we still have some other past societies to consider, we must already be struck by some parallels between the Maya and the past societies. Finally, while we still have some other, अच्छा 5 strands ही तो इसने बोला था शुरू में. Now I remember 5 strands. तो 5 strands तो complete हो गए. भाई ये alertness तो रखना पड़ेगा ना, ये आपको खुद रखना पड़ेगा. तो 5 strands तो हो गए complete. Now I think this is the author's conclusion or something. इतना बड़ा conclusion. Some past societies, okay, we must already be struck by some parallels, similarities between Maya and the past societies. Okay. उतना नहीं पढ़ा मैंने, अब इसमें थोड़ा पढ़ लेते हैं. लास्ट पैरा है. As on Mangareva, the Maya environmental and population problems led to increasing this. Similarly, on Easter Island and at this Maya peak population were followed political blah. Okay. He's giving examples. Right, paralleling the eventual extension of agriculture from this something. अभी देखो skimming कैसी कर रही हूँ. Leaving, okay, blah, okay, da. Go to the last bit. सब examples और data ही तो दिया है इसने. Maya kings sought to outdo each other. वही लड़ने वाला fifth strand, right? Short term, covered with thicker and thicker plaster, reminiscent in turn of the extravagant, conspicuous consumption by modern American CEOs. Comparing. The passivity of Easter chiefs and Maya kings in the face of the real big threats to their societies completes our list of disquieting parallels. So, in this paragraph, is simply drawing parallels between Mayan society and other societies. Correct? Done. What else is there to read? I mean, such a passage is so damn easy that this reminds me of a passage on metric fixation that came, I think, in 2018 or something. Metric fixation, and then that passage had similar flow. The first paragraph spoke about metric fixation, and then it went on to enlist the effects of metric fixation. First one was incentivize. First para spoke about that. Then second one spoke about something, something like accountability. Something. Third one spoke about short termism. As a ek paragraph was devoted to one effect. So such a passage becomes very easy to handle. ठीक है, ये तो क्लियर है. क्वेश्चंस देखते हैं. डायनामिक्स नहीं, इसको ना बाद में कर सकते हैं. इतना भी लाइक ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट होने की हमको जरूरत नहीं है. राइट, ओके, चलिए. इजी वाले भी तो है ना. टोन, ऑथर्स टोन. हाँ भाई, ऑथर्स टोन. द रोमांटिक एंड एलेजाइक. Romantic and elegiac, mourning the loss. Is he mourning the loss? No, he's kind of bringing up facts and showing us various things and बहुत logical type की बातें दिखा रहा है. So mourning, not exactly. Detached and objective. I like this. Detached. Sentence भी पढ़ना होता है. कभी आप ये words देख के निकल लो उसके पीछे. Simply cataloging the causes of Maya decline without editorializing or judgment. Simply cataloging causes, 5 causes दिए उसने, and then the last paragraph is for his judgment, for his conclusion, for his points. Editorializing, जिसको कहते हैं ना, summing up everything. So without, simply cataloging without, I don't like it, out. Despite the fact that it is objective. Indignant and alarmist, emphasizing the failures in a bit too. So this is like, very narrow, connected to one part. We need something more generic. And indignant and alarmist, koi aisa bilkul pareshan, gussa. Indignant is angry, alarmist is again extreme. Ye dono extreme tones. And so this is eliminated. So this is a good one. It says analytical. Okay, nice. With a hint of admonishment. Like, slightly he's being kind of, he's reprimanding, he's saying, why did you, matlab aisa nahi hona chahiye tha types, as the author draws uncomfortable parallels between ancient civilization and modern ones. Pura parallels, right? Hint of admonishment. Why? Ye dekh lo yahan. Varied in this, fine, with those caveats, right? They did this, too many farmers, too many this, compounding. So in between, like, he has kind of admonished slightly, कि ये हो रहा था, ये कर रहे थे, ठीक है? And then he has drawn parallels. Yeah. So here, analytical is good. Uncomfortable parallels. In case you are wondering, uncomfortable parallels, uncomfortable क्यों है? I'll tell you. Yeah, देखो. We still have some other past societies to consider before we switch our attention to the modern world. We must already be struck by some parallels between the Maya and this. That means modern world पे पहुंचने के पहले there are many other societies with which we can compare Mayan civilization, and whatever they did, even the other societies have been doing. Okay, as this population something. So he has highlighted these, and then he says, okay, this, reminiscent in turn of the extravagant this, the passivity of Easter chiefs, real big threats to the societies, completes our list of disquieting parallels, right? So this is pretty cool, hai na? Tone, analytical, uncomfortable parallels, ancient and modern ones, hint of admonishment, generally like, he's kind of slightly critical, ऐसा. So वो निकल रहा है. Question 3. हिस्टोरिकल कोलैप्सेस, अच्छा इस पे बाद में आते हैं, सेंट्रल आर्ग्यूमेंट कर लेते हैं पहले, है ना. Now, the Maya elite failed to learn from history, continuing extravagant displays of power even as their civilization faced inevitable decline due to their fragile environment. Okay. While Maya elite, okay, while archaeological uncertainties persist, most experts agree that prolonged droughts and agricultural failures were at the heart of the Maya decline. Only this and this? Seriously? There were 5 strands, he says, at the heart of the Maya decline, as evident by similar collapses? No way. The main idea is there were 5 strands, and then Mayans were not the only ones doing these things. There are other civilizations also with which we can compare. Okay. The classic Maya collapse was the consequence of simultaneous stressors: ecological, population, political, climatic. Sab aa gaya. Worsened by a leadership, the kings were fighting, more invested in ceremonial and competitive grandeur than systemic reform. This comes close to it. Parallels wala last paragraph missing hai, right? But isko rakhte hain. Much like modern societies, nice, modern societies की बात है. Ancient civilizations such as the Maya and Easter Islanders fell due to their inherent inability to adapt to unpredictable environmental. Only environmental? Seriously? No way. So this is out. So it's between A and C. Continuing extravagant displays of power. Only because of that. Inevitable decline due to the fragile environment. Only because of that. I think this encompasses the thing in a better way. Right? Although I feel यहाँ last paragraph का कुछ mention होना चाहिए था, but then still, it's not going to be according to my choice. We have to look for the lesser of the 4 evils. So 4C is much better than the others. ठीक है? ये हो गया. Now, which of the following can be reasonably inferred about the author's perspective on historical collapses? पहले तो ना I pause and I think मिलेगा कहाँ ये? Okay. Inferred about the author's perspective on historical collapses. He has compared in the last para. Historical collapses first para also. है ना? So, इसमें, in case I'm not able to decide where to go, let's sneak peek at the options. देखते हैं क्या बोल रहा है. Societal collapse is rarely due to a single cause. Typically the result of interwoven, aggravated, okay. 5 strands का इसमें दे रहा है almost. रखते हैं इसको. Environmental degradation, more than political this, is the consistent driver. Faulty comparison. Why? Because in the passage he has not given any particular reason, more importance. He has said there were 5 strands. So this is eliminated. Correct? Archaeological data from civilizations like the Maya proves that demographic density inevitably leads to this. Only population, again out. So you see how this is connected to the main idea question. Very often this has happened in CAT, that 2 or 3 questions are connected. Literally, I'm telling you, I was zapped so many times. Are ye solve kiya? It's connected to this one. This one is connected to the previous one. Aisa. Okay, so this is eliminated. Societies that fail to develop scientific understanding of environmental risks are doomed to repeat the same cycles of failure. Again, environmental risks. Does the author believe in this? No. He thinks everything was responsible, more so leadership wala to definitely. So this is here. So this is much better than the others. Cool. Okay. Yay, we are done with this. Okay. Question 1. Closely mirrors Maya 5 strands. Population, lack of resources, pressure on land, environmental, that was climate change, and leaders fighting. Right. Let's see. A coastal city overwhelmed by rising sea levels that displace its population despite efforts to build flood barriers. Climate, population. Okay. ठीक है. A mega city where population growth, infrastructural decay, political inertia, and environmental degradation converge to create chronic urban crisis. There is more than one, so I'll keep this. More than 2. A war-torn country, military fighting था एक बोला था उसने, where external invasion devastates agricultural production and leads to refugee migration. Agricultural production, okay, so lack of resources, I mean scarcity of resources, invasion devastates this and leads to refugee migration. Okay, I'll keep this also. So B and C. An affluent nation where climate policy is heavily debated, but technological innovation is steadily reducing dependence on fossil fuels. This is climate, resources, and climate. Come here. It's between B and C. Okay, so between B and C, the one which has more factors. Population growth, infrastructural, usne bola tha, right, political inertia, kings fighting and all, they were like focused on short-term benefits. Environmental to hai converge to create urban crisis, scarcity of resources and all. So this is better because it contains 4 or 5 factors. Got it, guys? B ही है इसका answer. Okay, so B, A, C. Right, done. I hope you enjoyed this passage and I hope the questions, the answers, the explanations, everything is clear. Alright guys, chalo phir milenge. See ya.